Hello there guys, it's Reed here yet again. Now people, we have our sidekick in the back, we have the box, and let's not forget we also have everybody's favorite ass JW. We have Alexa. Weather.
In Middlesbrough, it's 56 degrees Fahrenheit with showers.
Yep.
Today, you can look for rainy weather.
It's raining.
With a high of 60 degrees
It's
and
everywhere.
a low of 31 degrees. Have a good afternoon.
Well, anyway guys, it looks like it's that time. It's time for yet another exciting, insane, super official, thought-provoking, straight-edge food product review from YouTube's only true 365-day-a-year food product reviewer. We have another request today, people. It's pretty simple. We have the chicken nuggets from Burger King versus the McNuggets from McDonald's. 6-piece, $2, 10-piece, $1. Which one is better, people? Can these little $1 chicken nuggets compare to the leader, to the great, to the godlike chicken McNuggets? These are so well respected by a lot of people, it's unreal, people. But we're going to see what this is all about. We're going to see just how these match up. We have these, and of course we have the Burger King honey mustard and the McDonald's honey mustard also. So we've got both these babies banging it hard, and we're going to get it going on. So as always guys, remember if you have anything you'd like to read the box Alexa review, you got to leave a comment below. If we like it, we're going to pick it out and review your request next. Thumbnail! Alright guys, before we get started, or should I say guys and girls, before we get started, let's get our $1 Coke here from McDonald's. Man, that is a nice tight fit. Look at that. Oh God. That is as tight as the ex-wife used to be until Malcolm destroyed her with his 12-inch BBC. 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 So people, just in fairness, we are going to start with Burger King first, because that is fair, because I think they are the clear underdog here. Let's open up the Burger King honey mustard. And we'll start out with the Burger King nuggets first. So, here we go, people. Burger King nugget and dip. We're going to put it all the way in, people, in honor of the ex-wife. Here we go. That's not bad. That's not bad at all, people. Wow. I mean, for $1, you get 10 chicken nuggets. Wow. It's actually pretty good. Now we're going to open up the honey mustard from Mickey D's. They gave me a lot of napkins. God bless them at McDonald's. So on the first one, people, all things considered, that's a very solid chicken nugget. But can it compare to this? Oh my goodness. Bigger and better. Is it? We're about to find out. McDonald's honey mustard. Let's get a nice coat there. Boy. That's a good nugget too, people. So no matter who wins this battle, people, I think it's obvious. These are both outstanding nuggets. And we all know Burger King wins in price, but I will say this, the Burger King ones, they are a little bit smaller. So let's go back now to the Burger King here after we cleanse the palate. It's kind of a toss-up right now, people. Let's hope this next nugget really is the determining factor here. Alexa, do you like chicken nuggets?
Totally. I especially love Chick-fil-A nuggets.
Oh, we don't have one. That's a good nugget, people. I mean, my goodness. Wow. I can't believe they're just $1. So now we have McDonald's again. I mean, you can tell their nuggets are bigger. Here we go. Wow. Tell you what, people, I am undecided. Undecided. They are both very good. What we're going to have to do, people, we're going to have to take a bite of each nugget without any sauce on it. I'm kind of leaning towards the Burger King one right now. I mean, I'm going to be honest. I think the Burger King nugget might be better than the McNugget from McDonald's. I'm kind of shocked. First up, let's just take one bite right here. I like the bread part of the Burger King nugget a lot. I like that bread part. Boy. I think we are about to see an upset, people. I can't believe it. I was like, why compare them? Why would somebody leave a comment to compare the McNugget versus something that Burger King makes? I mean, whatever they make. McNugget. Yeah. Okay. It was close, people. That was close, but at the end of the day, we've got a little bit more chicken flavor from the McNugget. I was thinking to myself, but no, the McNugget is better than the Burger King. Just a little bit more of a chicken flavor, a little bit stronger flavor. But that is a comparison right there. You can go buy the $1 chicken nuggets from Burger King and feel very confident because that is a good nugget. If you was tasting these, you would be able to tell just by looking at them. A little bit bigger McNugget. But if you didn't know that, I mean, it would be hard to compare them really. I mean, just a little bit better. It's just a little bit better. So there's your winner, people. McDonald's does the happy dance. They beat Burger King in the nugget taste test, but it was very close. So I give Burger King props for their 10 nuggets for $1. You've done a good job, no doubt about it. Good job, Burger King. I'm gonna finish eating these up. Got me 16 nuggets here, and I'm ready to just plow through them, just like Malcolm plowed through the ex-wife with his 12-inch BBC. So there you have it, people. It was a battle, but at the end of the day, there's your winner. So as always, guys, thanks so much for watching. Read the box and, of course, Alexa. And again, thanks to the person that recommended this. That was a good battle. We'll see you guys, as always, tomorrow. Have a great day from YouTube's only true 365-day-a-year food product reviewer. Toodles! Just imagine, triple the meat, triple the pleasure. Ham, bacon, sausage. Boy. If this doesn't look like a heart attack waiting to happen, people, I don't know what is. Whew, man. So much meat on this. Wonderful, wonderful first bite. I love the bread. I love the croissant. It's very, very nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, God, yeah. Alexa, bust a nut.
A nut is a fruit composed of an inedible hard shell in the seed,
Oh, yeah.
which is generally edible.
It is.